And we are back, and we've got some exciting stuff. We've got like magnetic clay, magnetic rubber clay. Now, mine have got blue. So we're gonna open it up. I've got that much. Oh god, so weird. It's magnetic. I don't know exactly what this thing can stick on, but you can make loads of things with it. Let's try stretch this. It's not as good as the other thing, but it's actually kind of really good. It's rubber because I can't like stretch it. It's weird. It's hard to stretch. I just broke it. It's a very good thing. Still sticks together, which is a cool thing. You can go like, oh my god, my rubber broke. It's okay. Here we go. And rub. It's so funny. And then you've got a little leftover bit. Does that stick? No. Okay, wait. Okay, it doesn't stick, which is annoying. So, I don't know. I think that's it. Look, the little curve right there. It's so fun, though. Okay, so we're gonna end the video now. So yeah, magnetic rubber clay is over. See you later, alligator.